sucks. You don't really know why, but you wanna justify.
Limp Bizkit.
Oh, you Limp Bizkit.
Breathe in, breathe out. Hands up, hands down. I think it's that one. Keep rolling.
That's the one. Keep rolling.
Yeah, that's the one.
The reason why I know that
What a
song really
banger.
is that one.
But you wanna justify. Rip someone's head off.
Undertaker's theme song at one point.
Oh, was it?
I'm pretty sure it was rolling. Was it rolling? I'm pretty sure it is.
Resurgence.
If it's not rolling, if it's not rolling, I'm pretty sure it's still Limp Bizkit.
Yeah, it's still Limp Bizkit.
Limp Schlong.
Limp Schlonken.
Man, My Way or the Highway? Oh man, banger. Wait, might be My Way or the Highway? I don't know. My Way or the Highway. Fred Durst. Every time I go here, I always end up with like a pistol. By the time we get to the other side, still on a pistol.
That's right.
After dinner, I watched.
Who's coughing? Oh, it's brick.
What a coffee.
COVID.
Whoa!
COVID.
Get in! Bloody hell.
Breathe in, breathe out. You don't
Hands
really
up,
know.
hands down. Back up, back. Tell me what you wanna do now.
Oh man. I
Keep
miss the
rolling,
music.
rolling.
Alright guys, that was worth it.
Bangers.
Which wrestler had the entrance? There was a wrestler
Yeah,
that had the...
Undertaker.
Oh,
I'm a box,
His,
guys.
his motorcycle face.
His medical, his motorcycle face.
Motorcycle face.
Oh my god, yeah. I forgot he went away from the
Oh,
the Undertaker.
That's the Halo theme song.
Boom.
I'm a box, guys. Dropping.
You think you know me? Oh man.
Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. On a stage. I see clear. Oh, Edge had it.
Oh, that's Edge. Man, that's a hectic song. I love that song. It's an Alter Bridge. But that was his. That was already like
Palm tree on the left. Oh man, this
that was already pretty recent.
Ready?
Like on this day, I see clearly.
He wanted the palm tree.
Clearly
Hey guys, someone's in the water. Here.
Where's here?
Where's here?
It's over there.
Ah,
Hey, someone's in the water next to Pink. Eric,
Me?
yeah,
Huh?
yeah. In the water, in the water.
Shark infested,
Can't
boys.
see him.
Watch out.
Can't see him,
get out.
Eric.
I'm just gonna get out of. I can't even shoot in the water anyway.
Did I knock him?
Hostile dropping into the area. Watch
Get a
the
dog.
skies.
Oh, I hit something. Oh, there he is.
We've
Oh,
located the
off
rest
the
of
dog.
them.
Killed himself child support. That is funny.
Let me get up.
How can you not be watching?
Go up right here. It goes around the side. All the way around to the side. Yeah, watch out. It's pretty dangerous zone.
Your team has
Yeah, I
entered
wanted to
the
watch
safe
Pretty
zone.
red hot.
The IMP biscuit is right here. People in the house with the birds in the air. We don't care. We don't care.
Oh, hang on.
Where am I getting shot from?
Get down. Marking the
Breathe
rest of
in
them.
and breathe out. Hands up, hands down.
He's in the L. He's in the L.
Coming,
Yeah,
coming.
we're gonna make him take an L. You know what I'm saying?
Whoa.
Where anything?
Further back.
Oh, there's a whole team in there. Behind the L, behind the L. Whole team. Whole team, guys.
Reloading.
Other side of the L.
I kind of need. I need plates, eh?
I need to reload. Don't reload.
Soldier
We
incoming.
gotta wrap our H.
Plates. Give me a sec.
Above us. Above us.
Mark on my left. Mark
Kill
on my
one.
left here. Container. I ult tab. Where is my?
Coming.
I ult tab. Where's my game?
Marked remaining
Hi.
Go here, though.
Another guy
Why
inside.
can I not ult tab back in my game? Hello?
I don't know, but you're pretty safe.
The rest of that
Yeah, you're pretty safe for now.
Oh, yeah, any Lance?
He's no longer safe. I ran out of ammo, guys. Please, I need help.
Dead.
Oh,
I
man.
need
What
to
the
reload.
fuck was that? My game was missing from my desktop.
How?
That was hectic.
Computer error.
User
Hey, someone's
error.
below us. Here.
Well, I'm going
let's
to...
go.
I had 3 seconds left, I think.
Oh shit.
I didn't do that. I didn't do that. That was a rookie.
Oh
move.
my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Wait, behind us.
down. Marking the rest of
I'll get
them.
marked.
I only get 2 out of that. What the fuck?
That was a pretty hectic sequence.
Oh, I didn't even do that much damage. Okay. I thought I did heaps there. Oh, inside warehouse.
I got the
Inside
damage
warehouse.
to back it up. Oh no, you got heaps of damage. What the hell? The damage to back it up. I love that.
Inside
line.
warehouse.
That's a new Seder line.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Let's get in there. Let's get in the mix.
This guy looked out my.
Oh shit.
Strongly built.
Strongly building.
No, go inside, Mom.
Watch the skies.
Oh
Probably
shit.
better to do this inside, bro.
Sorry.
Hold on, flash. What the hell?
I mean,
Someone knows I'm here.
Yeah, there was someone in here. They saw us go in here.
Good kill.
Mark.
Marking the rest of that squad on
Guy
your
calls
attack
himself
map.
Baba, yeah.
Get
Okay,
hunted.
whatever.
There's a guy in the you know that building that always has a strongy in it.
Yeah, the strongy, yeah, there's a guy in the strongy building, that's where I got tagged from.
Two-story demountable.
We don't have to go. We can just stay for a second.
Yeah, I'll come to you guys, I'm a bit too far.
Your team is in the
A
safe
bit
zone.
Is
screwed.
it durable here?
I'll take the durable.
Nice.
Yeah, on the roof of two-story. On the roof of two-story. We just landed.
Put a decoy here.
He's still up there.
Hectic decoy.
We'll sneak in there. Doesn't know.
And Lance, you're by yourself.
Enemy soldier incoming.
I'm coming.
On our roof.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wanna push it?
No. Let's wait for him.
Someone's 100% on our roof, or like somewhere around here.
Yeah.
Now he landed. There was a guy on.
They're landing at L. That's in the
Northwest.
L building. On blue.
You got a loadout drop inbound.
He just walked in. What? Where did that guy
Walked
come
in?
from? Ha, ping. But
Oh, we're in.
This is
hello,
the end game.
ping. Where?
Shall we take
Please?
the roof?
He wasn't there.
Hey,
So you're on the staircase the whole time!
Oh shit!
Mark, just keep watching the
gonna
staircase.
back you
We
up.
were there before. We're watching every other angle.
Down him? In there, he's down. You still okay? You okay then, Lance?
Yeah, okay. Okay, I don't.
We can move
I
now.
just think
We
footsteps
can
are
probably
happening.
take the... This won't be bad here.
Yeah,
How do you get up from here?
I'd rather be. Oh, roof would be nice.
We can go on that balcony.
There's a ladder on this side, isn't there?
There's a ladder on yeah, there's a ladder on your side.
I'm gonna go out on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm taking.
I'll take a roof, yeah.
Quickly.
Oh.
There could be a
Right.
team on L. There could be a team on
Keep going, boys.
People in the air. Shot.
People around in the middle.
L.
Dropping into the air.
L behind us, guys. They have to move in soon.
Okay, that's our
There's
priority.
two of them. Three of them, there's three of them, guys.
Oh shit.
Jeez, them force fucking
That was ridiculous.
They're revving in the smoke. I'm lagging. Fuck.
Hey, this building is. Oh, there's a whole team in there.
Got any ammo?
L building.
I'm tagging him.
Tagging.
Oh my god,
Tag
every time I
mix.
shoot one guy, the other guy shoots me. What kind of teamwork is this?
Oh, he's French. I know.
Any ammo box?
No.
No.
Negative.
I need
What do
it,
you
I need it.
I'll go ammo, AR.
Yeah.
There's a buy here below, guys. Should I get it?
Gotta clear it first. This guy.
Shit, how do I get up here?
Stronghold building, water. Castle moving in.
No, I'm
They're in the
trying
smoke,
to
they're in
shoot
the
him.
smoke.
Oh, guys, dropping.
Shifting to us, shifting.
Ammo box.
Downstairs.
Downstairs.
Can't see.
10 remaining.
Watching right.
Keep it up.
I'm being looked at behind. I'm going back up.
Oh,
Oh, he's full
dead.
Oh, you got it?
Safe zone
Was
now.
that the guy I was shooting?
Yeah.
Yeah, nice. Good shit.
They're shifting to us, guys. They're ready. Get out right road. They're snapping on the right, guys.
Yeah, I stabbed
Yeah,
it.
Eve's right.
That open space.
Yeah.
Your squad is in the top 5. Let's get
One
it
more,
done.
guys.
41.
Oh, I can go get some ammo then.
Right.
Inside.
Yeah. Easy.
All targets eliminated.
Get your bump
From me, green.
Go get your revenge.
Snippy.
Or he's to my left. Maybe he's in here. Don't want to fuck it.
Hunt down the rest of them.
Oh, it's clear. Hectic, loot. Give me.
What? He's lying again.
Cover me.
Does anyone need anything? Ammo?
Got it.
Armor? Under
I
armor?
want to get my other gun, but
Do you not have overkill?
should I have overkill?
Who doesn't take overkill?
We don't have overkill.
Hostile UAV active.
Hey, up above.
He's above. He's above. He's cracked.
Let's go, Romeo. Go for the kill. Listen for footsteps on the left there.
On the ramp, guys, on the ramp.
Ramping.
Kill confirmed. We
On the
located
ramp? We're coming over the ramp
I got
now.
him, I got him, I got him.
Loading, loading.
Loading.
squad.
He's cracked. Both cracked. Toby!
shit.
Suck on this, cabron. Can't see him.
I'm only a bird. I'm only a plane. I'm a bird plane.
I'm a bird plane. I thought you were actually singing the song for us. I was like, when is the chorus happen again? I'm only a bird. I'm only a yeah, that's a good one.
A bird plane.
Made a loot, eh? Oh, give me.
I'm a bird.
Hey, I got a white box. Boys.
Fucking bird.
Where?
On the
Already?
There's 2 dogs on the island.
Yeah, well, they got us on the cross, hey? I'm going to take the high ground, Anakin.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go on the high ground.
I'm more than a bird.
They're bearing right.
Drop on white box here.
Yeah, need that. Let's go.
I'm a bird plane.
Resurgence window is about to close.
I'm a bird plane. A motherfucking bird plane.
Yeah, knocked him. That was me.
Nah, I was hitting him heaps. Fuck off. Probably just got 1 bullet in after I did all the damage.
We'll see.
Kill.
He has more damage.
Squad on your attack map. Get hunting.
Oh, I'm looking to the wall! Fucking wrecked, dog!
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Need mid-kill rounds.
Oh, please die.
Under us, under us, under us.
I want
Be
that kill.
advised.
Under us,
Part
close.
of your team is outside
Coming
the
with you,
safe
I'm with you,
zone.
I'm
Take it. On your neck.
Coming.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, I would that.
Enemy destroyed.
Nice.
Down the rest of them.
I'll tap.
Quick
Kill
grind to
confirmed.
live.
We've located the rest of them.
I'm more than a bird. I'm more than a plane. I'm a bird plane. That's a good one. Where's this dog?
The enemy lost track
Get
of you.
poached, you
You're
dog.
safe.
Oh, I'm getting sniped down. What the hell?
Bird plane. A motherfucking bird plane.
Should we go
I
down and
need-
buy an ammo box?
AR ammo.
Suck on this,
Yeah,
cabron.
ammo.
Alright, let's go.
I need
Come with me.
ammo.
That's what the cat guy says, eh?
Yeah, he's a Mexican cat.
Got an
I
ammo
need
box.
the ammo.
Oh, I think high ground. We should wrap right and go high ground.
Yeah, Anakin.
Actually, no. What the
Enemy
fuck?
soldier
Second,
incoming.
second load.
Annie, are you okay?
Enemy,
Guys,
okay.
UAVs if you can.
Oh yeah, drop
Oh,
money.
yeah.
Here. Drop
Drop
it.
money.
I bought one. There's people on the houses over there. On green.
Who dropped this buy zone thing here?
I
Yeah.
think that's a random one.
Oh.
Scared of above us, eh? Alright.
Yeah, they gotta move. Yeah, I think we go in last. I think we go in last and wait for a top to go down.
Oh, hey, in the water, guys. Can't see him.
Maybe we
He's
look away.
close.
Just scared to see the enemies here.
Moving here.
Oh no.
Cracked him. Knocked him in underneath the thing.
An
I'm
enemy
more
squad
than
is
a
hunting you.
bird.
Stay alert.
I'm more than a plane.
I knocked him in the.
Bird plane.
Alright, get water.
Yeah.
I'm gonna. How many UAVs we have? 2? I've got 1.
Finish
Yeah.
Advise you move to the safe zone now.
Oh, that guy's breaking me. That guy's breaking me.
Knocked him.
flash
Ha! That's what you get.
Don't be too exposed on the right. We're gonna watch the right move in first, then we can go down.
I'm gonna UAV now.
Here you go.
Oh, I'll
Yeah.
go on the other side.
Bird
One's still in the castle,
plane.
and that's 2 teams, I'm guessing. Oh, 4 teams too.
He dropped down.
right side's clear.
Let's go, bird plane.
That line of attack.
Get by him back. Get here. Blue, take electricity. Take the power line. Top.
Go. There was people there last time.
This guy really high in the air, guys.
Watch out for him. Might land on us.
Yeah, this
On a
big
zipline,
bird.
zipline.
Zebra's
That's what I
going to
thought. That's what I thought.
Abi, look down my left. Abi, look down my left.
He's above us. He might land on us. Careful, guys.
Dropping into the area.
Nice.
Watch the skies.
Cracked him.
Ooh.
You can win.
He's dead.
Kill him. Oh, wow.
Shot him out of the sky.
44.
I'm knocked. I got selfie. One on the roof. Building.
Burn it, burn it. Precision.
Get right.
No, he's a
Ovi.
fucking split.
Nick Minaj.
Oh my god. Fuck.
Oh my. No. One's knocked in the electric. One's knocked
Oh
in the
no.
electric.
I knocked one.
From the safe zone.
One's knocked in the electric.
Start moving.
He doesn't have selfie. He's going to him. One's on the road. Oh, there is. They're all there. Behind you.
This area.
Hey.
There is loot here.
Pick it up.
Yes.
Oh, shit.
Fucking great.
Yeah, get your bam bam. That was easy.
Yeah. I fucked him up right at the end. Hectic.
You guys suck. Yeah, they were actually really good. Yeah.
Guys, I knocked two at the end. But
Yeah, I did all the damage.
Yeah, he replied.
It's like a...
Oh, what?
Yeah.
You were the next lobby noobs.
Okay. You find them funny?
Huh?
You find them funny?
Yeah, they're pretty funny. I think a lot of the younger generation don't like them though,
Because?
because they raped someone and they covered it up.
Huh?
Yeah. And they covered it up, and the girl killed herself.
Oh shit.
This-
That escalated quick.
Hey, I'm on second place noobs from last game here.
One of my friends,
Survive and your team can redeploy.
she's married to
Eliminate targets to
Joy
bring
De
them back
Leon's son.
faster. Mark a drop point.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Who's Troy DeLeon?
From
The Vic and
Vic and Joey.
Oh.
Joey
Oh,
De Leon.
Joey. Sorry, Joey DeLeon.
Yeah. Joey De Leon.
I thought you said Joy. What?
You ain't nothing but hot dog at the wrong time. Oh,
That's,
yeah. Lost your
afternoon
dog.
show. That's the GMA, but I think they're leaving GMA. They're finally leaving that show.
Who?
The Vic and Joey.
What? I needed it.
Yeah, same. I got one too.
Hey man, I
And
need to play,
his,
you know? Gotta share what's on the plate, you know what I mean?
his brother is is a senator.
Oh fuck.
Oh, okay.
Tito
Oh, this guy's here,
Soto.
what the hell?
Big Soto. Tito
They're here,
Soto.
they're here, they're here.
Coming.
Yeah, Eric, you by yourself? Coming?
I'm with you.
Alright. All the glory's mine then.
I'm with
Oh
you,
shit,
I'm
there's
with
heaps of people here, watch out.
Yeah. Hang on. All in the building?
Marked remaining
What? Outside the
operators.
compound, outside the compound.
Hunt them down.
Alright, here. They were here last time.
Cannot see them.
I got no ammo, eh? They might have gone left.
Ping.
Oh yeah, I see him. Behind the
Side.
building. Oh, I can't hit shit with this thing.
Oh, my buddy. My buddy.
One more.
Nice.
One more.
One more.
Got him.
Marking the
Dead?
rest of that
Oh,
squad
no.
on your attack map. Get
They're southeast, guys. Far away in the air.
Get your
Hunt them
bam
down.
Eric, over here. Marked him.
We've
Alright,
located the rest
coming.
of them.
Give me a sec. I should.
On me.
Hostile.
Kite him.
I'm coming.
Since inside there somewhere, watch out.
Mid-cow rounds.
Inside the building.
This complex.
I'm coming back.
No visual.
No VG.
Here.
Yeah.
Enemy
Shooting us behind us. We're being shot from behind.
Hunt down the rest.
Wait, what the fuck?
Oh, saved ya!
What? This right
Launching the
next
rest
to you guys.
Landing in front of us.
Oh, cracked him.
I'm a
Who's
cowboy.
shooting from behind? We're all here.
Revolvers only. Let's go, baby. They're going for their loadies.
Let's go for ours.
UAV overhead. Be advised, teammates outside the safe zone.
Get the dog. What a noob.
The rest of the squad on get hunting.
One of me. Oh, wait, no. One of me. He's
Hey,
landing.
Hey,
Cracked him.
what the?
He's AFK. Relax, guys.
Hunt them down.
Let's go.
Oh, he's got the
Closer.
weed guy. He's so
We need
green. That's
I need ammo,
mad
right?
camo.
Let's go buy ammo. Let's go to the buy ammo.
Yeah.
That weed one is crazy.
Wait, I'm being
camo.
slapped at. Hey, that's the buy zone. Let's go to the buy.
Stop shooting. Just jump across.
Get ready, boys. Get ready to fight.
I want to start on the buy, alright? Get to it.
Alright,
Ready?
I'm ready.
Hurricane?
I was born ready.
You guys don't have enough money for anything.
Jump up.
Nah, we got heaps of money.
Stun,
Come on,
ready?
go, go.
Go, 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 go.
Stun.
Stun.
Behind you.
Oh, 3 there!
We got one down.
I got one down.
Reloading, reloading.
On me.
On
Oh,
There's so much smoke, I can't
This guy got
see.
wrecked.
wow.
Oh, yeah, get
Okay.
your pump up.
Drop your money, guys. Drop the money here.
Advise you load up now.
That guy got
Oh,
180.
yeah. Yeah, what are we buying here? Ammo box?
Yes, please.
I'm buying ammo box.
That
Drop
guy
an ammo
got
box.
180. Oh, I'm being looked at above us. Go right.
About from the right. Oh shit! Left. Warehouse.
No, no, please.
We got above here somewhere.
Good.
Alright, what's our next move, boys?
Yeah.
Take the stairs?
I think we backtrack to L.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Get
ready to shoot back
when we
now.
get up top.
Oh, it's like full squad in there. Don't stand on the stairs, don't stand on the stairs. Go, move.
I'm stuck.
Area.
To the big ramp. I'm going big ramp.
Let's go in the ramp. Yeah.
Hey, look that.
I looked at behind.
I'm gonna pop you over.
Could be this guy. I just
Stick together, team.
Okay, we're back. Stick together, team.
reunited, and it feels so good.
Oh, let's gank some people. 4v1s,
perfect
4v2s.
is and sugar.
Oh, all 3 of them are still in there.
Oh, there's people
Resurgence
inside?
window is ending.
Inside the warehouse, maybe?
You can look through this door here.
Oh, no. Run.
At the buy. They're starting to buy.
There's people in this building, next to us.
Running across.
Wait. We got split fights here. What
Yeah,
fight are we
yeah.
taking?
Wait, is there people at this warehouse? The big one here?
No. The next, I think
Green.
on the white one, blue, I think.
Definitely there's one at pink.
Definitely agree.
And there's one in blue.
You can
one is
down
it?
from castle.
Oh, hang on.
Wait, what?
On the window, he's low.
There's
On the window,
This is the
warehouse.
safe zone.
Payday 3 is actually looking
Need to reload.
Towards grass you came from. You have a team at grass if you have a sniper.
Reloading. Oh yeah, they're back at the water.
In the water.
Enemy soldier
Hey,
I'm again with the
Coming
castle
towards us.
roof.
Yeah, he was
Oh, BB! Oh shit! Bad timing. Oh no. He actually.
He's flanking ramp, he's flanking ramp,
on
guys.
the ramp, on the stairs, under us. Behind me.
He's gonna be at ramp soon.
Ramp, big ramp.
One time.
On Eric,
No,
on
no.
Eric.
I'll get my
Burn
phone.
it, burn it, burn it.
He's flash. Nice.
Nice one.
Ultra
down.
instinct. More like ultra gay instinct.
Oh,
Oh my god, there's people everywhere, man.
whoa.
What a bunch of fucking noobs. That's shit.
Coughing behind us. Ramp, maybe ramp.
I need to fucking...
I think it's a ramp water.
Yeah.
Have a look from the back here.
Yeah, I'm gonna check this.
Careful guys, we're spread up this.
Yeah, we're watching the back stairs. And you guys
100%
watch the big ramp.
coughing.
We'll watch the stairs, you guys watch
I
the
don't
ramp.
know.
I don't know, they must have pissed off. I don't want to fall down.
Yeah. Circle in here. Love the
Where I'm on.
castle edge.
Here.
Any
Moving
names?
here.
That's almost it,
Oh, I'm being
guys.
looked down my left. Oh, he. On that corner. Buy. On the buy.
Oh, come on, get him. Oh,
Yeah. Got him.
That's not the same guy. There's more in there.
Yeah, there's more.
Okay, bull back.
some ball back. Yep.
They're not in, they're not in.
Neither are we, eh?
Yep.
What's our move?
The
Well, we
stairs
need
are
to
in,
high
guys.
ground.
Green.
They're crossing to bot. They crossed the buy side, guys.
Lucky. I'll watch for him. Guys, we moving.
Warehouse.
Are we moving?
No way! He's fucking cracked and then some. Oh my god, someone must have sniped me.
Yeah,
Push
from
me,
up
push
the...
me. Eric, move to the right, move to the right.
We're gonna get pumped here because there's a whole team on that wall. There's a whole
Take
team on
white,
that wall.
take white then.
Yeah, go right. Wait, smoking?
You're in. You guys are in.
We were getting looked at.
Oh, we're actually, this is a good spot.
Yeah.
Actually, we're good here.
Okay, we're good here. We're good, fam. Alright, what do we got?
Man, I'm pumping this guy, but I don't have enough ammo. I need ammo.
Castle has to move in. Do not get picked by him. Let him jump in first and then take him.
Bye.
Down to one.
Enemy dropping to the
He's
AO.
about to move in, guys. Get ready.
Friendly buy station
Did someone pick
deployed.
up my player?
Yeah, got one.
Hey, someone's close. Watch out, lane. Someone's close on us.
Castle moving in, Castle moving in. Locked.
I've marked them all, guys.
Double knock.
Oh, flashed him. The one on the left. Nice teamwork, baby. Nice,
Yeah,
Aurora.
I'm gonna grab the ammo.
Someone's
Give me
close.
ammo.
Bro,
Give
Where?
me.
below me.
Oh, yeah? I'll below you anytime.
Hey.
Staircase.
I down one in the corner here.
Yep.
Far from the
Ready?
safe zone. 10 or less.
They're ready to fight.
Pressure on.
Inside.
Yeah.
Don't waste your ammo. Don't waste your ammo.
Inside.
Guy in the corner here.
This corner, I just pinged it. To where the gun is.
Reloading.
No, he's
Whoa.
got a fucking shotgun. No, he had a fucking dragon's breath, man.
Oh shit.
Where are they?
Inside.
Marked him. Nice one.
Easy win.
Guys, that drone ping showed everyone, man.
That was hectic. Yeah, Romeo had one more kill, but I had the damage to back it up.
You had assists.
That's it. That's because I had the damage to back
Oh,
it up.
come on, Scout.
Yeah.
Oh, it's because I used the drone. Oh, okay.
There's gonna be a lot of fucking stuff coming out of that fucking street.
Oh man, we pumped those dogs.
We popped
Bro,
those.
I got a mad 3 piece of the guys jumping off castle. I got them all with the
Saw that.
parachutes.
That was hectic.